Hi everyone, I'm Danielle Goad. I'm a strategic program manager at Specright and a co-manager with Eric here for Spec Squad.
My name is Eric Norman. I'm partner with Dazmii, a small consulting company that's helping out with the Spec Squad.
And Spec Squad is a service that we started in partnership with Dazmii, and we're really excited to kind of provide a way for our customers to digitize all of their specs from their historical systems or formats like Excel and PDFs into their new Specright system in the standardized templates. As the academia program manager at Specright, it's also very exciting to get more involved with the universities and provide them a job during their time in school where they get to see industry specs and get experience with our customers.
Yeah, what we've found too is that some of the downfalls of going to a new system right away without having your data in it, it's not very successful. And that can take years, months, just to get it in from your technical resources. Using those students that know that data and understand what a package is or what a product is, one, it gives them a great experience in the industry, and they're now able to load it in days or weeks versus months or years. And so we've been really, really successful with that with a couple clients recently where they already started their system, they haven't been able to use it yet, they called us in, and now they're up and running, and able to use that data as a fuel to run their supply chain as well as some of their marketing stuff. So Danielle, you know with like some of our clients, a spec is like a snowflake. They're different every time. We try to quote it, and it's like 1 minute of spec, an hour of spec, it can be anything, right?
Yeah.
So with some of those clients, it's been really nice to be able to like standardize that data. Yeah, we might put a little bit more in, but now it's all the same for that client, and they're really able to run and gun with their information.
Yeah, and I think your team, has done a great job of doing it for frames or page layouts that have been set, right? They've been set within Specright, and so the clients have kind of that standardized way that we're inputting the data, but also kind of consulting them on, what data might be missing or what gaps might be from their old specs to their new system.
Right, and it's fun.
Yeah.